Hi, I'm your career coach from Directions for Immigrants. Our Career Center provides no-cost, 3-hour workshops to help you become a more effective job seeker. Led by our career coaches with years of experience, there's no better place to learn how to network and find work in your field.
Hi, I think I've seen you before at the Directions for Immigrants office.
Oh, hi, yes, but I didn't see you at the How to Network workshop the other day.
No, I didn't go. How are things going for you?
Oh, really good. I have met some really good people in my field.
Oh, how did you do that? I've been having such a hard time meeting anyone in the industry.
Yeah, after I went to the Directions workshops, I learned some good tips to connect with people. The career coaches have excellent advice, and I was able to practice in the workshop.
I couldn't do that. I'm too nervous to talk to strangers.
Yeah, it was hard at first, but it paid off. I actually have a job interview through someone I met at a coffee meeting.
Oh wow, good for you. You know what? You've inspired me. I'll call Directions for Immigrants to register for the workshops.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Well, thanks and good luck with your interview.
You can do this. Register for our workshops today. If you have any questions, give us a call.